I don't know about you, but I love to look good without breaking the bank. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you another affordable wig. Today's beauty is a 26-inch ombre lace front wig from LRN LRN wig on Amazon. Stay tuned to see how we created this beautiful look. Alright, so here I am unpackaging the wig. It came with a wig cap and an adjustable strap, which we're going to be using today as I'm going to be wearing this wig glueless. This is the product information, LRN or LRN wig. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but this is what she looks like. She is pre-plucked. As you can see, the hairline is already done for you. This is the inside of the cap. You can see that it has combs. It has 4 combs, and it has the adjustable strap, which you can use for added security. Alright, I'm just gonna tuck them in on the side because I'm gonna be using the broad strap. Yes. So the broad strap allows us to wear this wig glueless. I'm planning to put it on with some adhesive tape and just enjoy for as long as I feel like I want to wear this wig. Alright, so I'm running my hand through the hair and I'm showing you on camera that there is little to no shedding. Alright, so that's a good sign. Alright, she is a 26-inch ombre lace front. As I said before, it's pre-plucked. The color is 1B with 27 highlights. It's supposed to be 200 density. I'm gonna put her on my mannequin head while I attempt to get all my natural hairs laid back and out of the way for the install. Additional product information is available on your screen now, so you can find this wig should you be interested in purchasing. I'm just using some edge control to get the flyaway hairs, and then I'm gonna spray with some got to be glue hairspray. We're going right around the perimeter, and I'm gonna band it down, cool it, just to ensure that we don't have any hairs getting in the way of our install. Blow drying on cool. And now I'm gonna be using my wax stick on my wig to get all the hairs nice and flat at the front and away. This install is gonna be a little different from what you would normally see people do. I am going to be wearing this hair glueless, and so I'm not gonna be gluing it down, or that was what the plan was. I initially planned on using some adhesive tape to get the sides down. You later see in this video that at one point I literally could not find the wig tape. Alright, here I am putting on my wig cap. This wig cap is perfect for installs like mine. I'm not wearing this wig all day, all night. I'm gonna be taking it off, and so this wig cap, perfect. And it fits my head so snug, and the wig will not move once it's on this wig cap. I recommend it, 10 out of 10. Alright, so here I am gonna put the wig on, and I'm gonna be cutting the ear tabs. People, as soon as I put this wig on my head, I start feel a vibe. I start feel good. I start feel like a Christmas. Alright, so here I am cutting off the ear tabs, and I'm taking my time because this is my first time actually wearing a 13x4 frontal wig. It's normally a closure wig for me. I normally just wear a closure wig, but here I am taking my time to ensure that I don't cut off too much of that lace and then have any regrets. So I'm taking my time, and as you should too when and if you purchase this wig from LRN or LRN Wig. Not sure how they pronounce it, as I said before, but they are on Amazon. I basically just cut the lace into half, then to quarters, and then take my time to zigzag the edges and remove them. Alright, now the wig has zero excess lace. I'm walking away from the camera right now because I'm looking for my adhesive wig tape and I can't find it. So I'm now just gonna use the lace melt spray to glue down or to secure this wig, because where did my tape go? Drying the lace melt spray halfway with my blow dryer on cool. Alright, now I'm gonna adhere or push down the lace into my skin so we can start melting that lace. Alright, I am using the rat tail comb as a guide, you know, to help with the adhesion of the lace to my skin. I'm now gonna band it and tie it, and I am giving it 20 minutes. Not skimping on the time. 20 minutes. Guys, you see how I look frustrated because me still I wonder where my lace tape gone. But me I go on easy, you know, 20 minutes. 20 minutes you want this lace for melt. So we're not hurrying it along, we're gonna wait the 20 minutes. People, look what me find. Look what me find. After me there, they run up and down and I look for it. I find it. Come like what did me left and me take put it down. Anyway. So as you can see, I've taken off the band, and I'm gonna be using the lace melt to go around the edges again to get the areas that seem to be lifting. Alright, I like to use the brush because it takes up more product and I'm able to distribute it where I need it to go. It never fails me yet, so go ahead and try it if you have trouble melting your lace. And here I am, I'm tying it again for another 20 minutes, and I'll come back once it's done. Alright, so here I am, I'm back, and the lace is melted to the gods, as they say on Instagram and TikTok. But I am just gonna get rid of the extras that are still peeking out. I'm using some mahogany. Mahogany is the shade of the concealer that I'm using to hide the lace. I like to go a bit darker on the lace, that way it's not visible. So I would normally use Beautiful Bronze on my face. I'm using mahogany to hide the lace. And here I am trying to define my part because I'm not plucking it. I had too much product, so I just use a stocking cap and dab it and take up the extra concealer. Alright, using my hot comb now to go through the hair, and I'm now gonna curl. Alright, I'm not much of a hairstylist, to be honest with you guys. I can only help myself. And so you're possibly never gonna see no big hairstyle from me, but I can comb out the hair, I can curl it, and as you can see, I installed it enough for my liking. I am going for a no baby hair look. It's more realistic for me, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing. No baby hair, is just nice and laid, melted lace, and yeah, that's the finished look, guys. If you liked this wig installation video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video with friends, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Tell me how I did in the comments. I'm looking forward to hearing your comments or your tips. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.